Oh my gosh, you guys. This whole time I was recording, so I thought my whole look, how to like remove tattoo, like how to wipe my teeth, like what do I use for whitening teeth, eyelashes, everything, the whole look. And it wasn't recording. So I'm just gonna continue to where I was using. This is crazy. Okay, so right now I'm going in with a concealer. I'm using a normal concealer, same tone. I have an appointment, so this is what I need it for. It's one of those appointments that I don't want to put like a bandage there, but I want it to seamlessly blend. So now I'm going to take, now that I blended in the concealer, I'm going to take some foundation. This is a light to medium coverage, so it doesn't have that much coverage. It's not that buildable either. It's a Super Stay Maybelline 24 Skin Tint. My Charlotte Tilbury, this one, pretty sure it could be expired. Let me look. You know what? Actually, maybe not. Maybe it's just me. Hold on. So right here is my Charlotte Tilbury. Right here is the Super Stay by Maybelline. And right here is IT Cosmetics. So I think we'll try the IT Cosmetics. And remember, like I always teach you guys, you have to pat it. Don't smush it. When you're trying to cover up a tattoo, don't use a sponge either, because what the sponge is intended to do is pick a product. By the way, what I have on my teeth, I have been loving, and it's perfect for sensitive teeth, and you don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, I'm losing the word. You don't have to worry about sensitivity. What I like to use is Purple Teeth whitening strips. Slow and easy right here. I really like them. You guys will see the immense difference between like back here and the front teeth. It's mind-blowing. Okay, so pretty much needs a little bit more foundation. I'm gonna do another layer of foundation. Now you guys, it is like getting it pretty stinking good. There we go. We're gonna go over here to make it just like blend with it. I really like, so if you are someone that is going somewhere, or you just need that tattoo removed, concealer first, then you take a medium to full coverage foundation and you start dabbing. Dabbing. And here we go, you guys. I think you can see it just a little bit, but it's literally this big. I don't know if you guys remember, but once I wear my shirt, it's going to really, you won't be able to see it. Okay, so that's how we cover up the tooth. This has been 30 minutes. It's not crazy. Look at that. Night and day. Do you see that? Just wait till I brush my teeth. Give me a minute. Okay, so not all of it is fully off, but I wanted to show you guys the difference between this and this. Like, it's got a difference for sure. So this is just one time, like a week. I've been weak. I have been sick for a week, and I haven't kept up with my teeth and my face and my skincare, but this is just one go. Highly recommend. Okay, so removal of tattoo. I guess I could go one more because I'm starting to seep it again. And you can definitely go back between concealer and foundation. Okay, so you do want to wait, just like your face, you want to wait until it gets just a little tacky. Okay, so I have these two colors. This is Toy Factory Nihilip, which I use quite often, and then this is Soulmate by Morphe. One's more of a mauve and this is more a latte color, but I do use both to make my lips bigger. I go like this, or give the illusion. Go like this, like that. That, and then just a little. I leave the outers by itself. This is creating a kind of lip. And I go in with my mauve and go a little bit on the top. Okay. Then I'm literally almost out of this. It's 920 Nude Lust. This is by Maybelline. I need to replace this. It is really good. I just used a little brush to get, so we're gonna use all the product. It's a perfect nude color. And I fill this in. Then I'm gonna use Joy Bright. This is a matte lip. It does not say the color, but it looks like this. Just gonna go towards the center. This is also one of my favorites. I'm not sure who is by, and I'm kind of blank. It's really small. Celestial Quartz. And then same thing, just the center. Now, oh, you guys, I almost forgot about this. So now we tap, 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 tap. Just the area that needs extra coverage. And then we go in with our It Cosmetics. I'm just gonna use this one because it's a buildable one, whereas the other one's more of a skin tint. And I'm just gonna tap it on top. There we go. Gonna blend this in over here so it looks all part of it. Okay, last but not least, I've been testing out the setting spray by Milk. Getting into place. And that's it, guys. That is a look. I cannot believe I was literally recording for like, or so I thought. And then I look and the footage is like gone. But I'm glad that I got some of it to finish it off on what I use for my lips, continue with like the blush and everything. But you guys already have the video of me doing my lashes DIY. And I went ahead and tinted my eyebrows last night, so that's easier. I can just comb it with some gel. But this is the final look. Until next time, bye.